Okay guys, so welcome to our first Baskin-Robbins YouTube tutorial. So very excited. We're going to be posting these up on our Baskin-Robbins West End account through YouTube. So yeah guys, subscribe, hit the link below, subscribe. Cool, so the first kind of video that we're going to run through is making a polar pizza. So the things we're going to need to get ready, get prepared is a 9-inch cake pad we've got here, our polar pizza cookie base, squeezy bottle that we've got here. I've just cut the tip off this with a pair of scissors to make it so that the fudge can actually kind of pour through there at a good consistency. One packet of our mini Oreo choc cookies and just a spade to flatten out these scoops. Cool, so as per the job aid, we have 5 scoops here. I'll be demoing our cookies and cream. It's like a mock pepperoni style polar pizza. We're going to use this for our Uber Eats and just have as a standard in stores, a very popular flavor. So I've already gone ahead and loaded up the polar pizza with 5 of the kid scoops from out the front. So we've kind of skipped that part, but yeah, I've kind of spread 5 kid scoops around here like this. First thing we're going to do is just flatten these out and spread them evenly across the base to cover the kind of entire section here within the border. So we'll get started on that, see how we go. So I have allowed it to soften up a little bit here, so it's kind of a bit easier to work with. So let's get this done. Cool, so that is working quite easily there. We can just wet our spade a little bit if we're having problems with the sticking. Give it a good shake off excess water. And just kind of press that in nicely into the edges there. It's nearly done. So, and then we'll just kind of smooth it around, make it nice and level. Slipping off there a second. Cool, so that is more or less what we're looking for, guys. You can tidy it up a bit, but yeah, this is the kind of general look. You know, we don't want it kind of as I've done here, try to scrape it in off the edges, looking nice and neat. Just remember, all of the time with everything that we eat a lot with our eyes, so we want it to look visually appealing. We'll just wipe this bit of excess off here. So the next thing I'm going to do now, sorry, I did forget to include one other tool you'll need, which is our cutting blade here. So we've just got a bit of chocolate on it, we're just going to clean that. And we're going to cut this into 6 even slices, so not like a traditional pizza, obviously, but yeah, we're going 6 slices. The way we're going to do this is first we can just cut it in half at any point, so just making sure we've got it in line here so we can see. So we're just going to cut it straight down the middle. So I'll kind of press in first and then just gently kind of rock. A little bit of weight on it. And that's cut quite nicely there. So this has been in the freezer, it's kind of rock hard, a bit difficult to cut through. So maybe if you're having problems, you can let the base out a bit to soften. But if it does get too soft, it will crumble up as well, guys. So from here, what we're going to do is kind of make another cut again, just kind of at a bit of an angle from our first cut, so we can see the first 2 kind of slices forming here. And I'll just put a bit of bench there, so we'll move this over a touch. Cool, so that's our second cut. It did slide off a bit, that's okay, we can push that back together. And then we're just going to go again across this way. It is quite a bit difficult, but there we go, so knock my cookies off, good start. Cool, so pop this back into the middle here. And as you can see now, it's cut into 6 kind of fairly even slices. It's great. The next thing we're going to do is just dress the pizza. So fairly simple. What we're doing is, as I said before, these 1 packet of Oreo cookies per polar pizza. We're going to just open those up now. What I'll actually do to spread these around a bit more and get a bit more visual appeal out of them is just split the cookies in half there and just kind of layer. I like to kind of just layer 3 pieces per slice and fuel. Just going all the way around. It's nice and quick. We'll start to melt in this weather, which is a bit of a pain, but just do the best we can. Also, just going around here. See, it's very simple, not too difficult at all to do, but very effective. So it looks very good. Broken piece there. Also nearly done. We're out of cookies there, so I'll just try to steal a piece from here. So this piece looking lonely. Okay, great. So now it's topped, kind of starting to look like a pepperoni pizza, kind of. From there, the next step, we're going to get our squeezy bottle, and we're just going to go in a crisscross pattern. So one in one direction, and then going over the top the other direction. You just want to keep it nice and simple, kind of not too thick, not too thin, just in between. So we're just going as such. We'll just get it running there. So just over the top. Just back and forth, and just keep squeezing it so it's coming out nice and consistent. And we'll just go the opposite direction now, again. Back and forth. Straight over the top. And that is finished. So that is a finished product. This is exactly how it should look, guys. From there, if you want, just grab a little bit of paper towel and try to wipe off any of the crumbs that have fallen around the outside. But we do have our Polar Pizza boxes, so you'll open one of those up and yeah, pop it inside, pop it straight in the freezer. We'll pop that now. And yeah, if you've got any questions, just comment in the link below, and I'll try to add any additional information to the video. So thanks guys for watching. Cheers.